My job here is to assist students with professional development, and so that is resume writing, cover letters, mock interviews, so interview prep, also career advising. We hold events, so career fairs, workshops, etiquette dinners. We're also out a lot in the community working under the Student Affairs Division. I really love my job. Being able to be that source for students and to see them hit that end goal, like, you know, they'll come in as a freshman, like, I don't even have a resume, and then we're like building that resume, and now they're a junior and they need an internship, so we're helping with that, and then it's like, okay, I'm graduating, I need a job, and then they come back and they're like, oh my God, I got the job, because we've helped them with their resume and their cover letter and their interview. And my department is amazing. I love everybody that I work with. I love the student affairs aspect of college, because those are the people that care about the students, to me, the most, because we're making sure that they're not getting in trouble and their housing is good, and their career services. There's so many different areas that we can assist those students with. But one of the reasons I wanted to go into higher ed is because of my undergrad experience. I did not get that help that I thought would have helped me succeed. It makes me feel young, honestly. Not that I'm old, but being around students kind of gives you life, right? And you're able to kind of see life through their eyes, and able to, see them, go on their journey, and hopefully come back one day and thank you for it. So it's really been awesome to kind of work right in the heart of the city, and showing those students that come from South Dakota or Minnesota or or even Texas that, well, this is what Oklahoma City has to offer. Life is a lot better when you're helping someone, when you're able to guide someone in a good direction, and they feel good about it. It helps you feel good about it too. So just be prepared to come here and just love on these students and help them grow into amazing, grown-ups, because they're babies when they get here, but they're sometimes adults once they leave, and that's kind of what we want them to be. So